Pare, nakakapagod na ano pare? Trabaho? Ano yun? Eh, meron ako din eh. Tara!
Captain, there's a car on bridge.
Deploy the firefighting team. Attention. Please prepare for the launch of the lifeboat and prepare for the abandoned ship.
Mayday. This is MV Arctic. This is MV Arctic. This is MV Arctic. MMSI 0256528853. Call sign Alpha Charlie Echo Sierra. Our position is 11 degrees, 25 minutes north, 105 degrees, 35 minutes west. My vessel is on fire. We are 10 crew on board. We already launched lifeboats including 8 crew. I require immediate assistance. Over.
Urgency.
Hardport.
Hardport, sir. The steering gear is not functioning well.
Report to the master station.
Captain, that alarm triggered in the steering console.
The steering gear is not functioning well. Fix it immediately.
I advise that boat steering motor is broken and need to anchor immediately.
Fun. All station. This is MV Arctic. MMSI 0256528853. Call sign Alpha Charlie Echo Sierra. Our position is 29 degrees, 10 minutes north, 121 degrees, 39 minutes west. We are experiencing steering gear failure. It may collide in the iceberg. We are 10 people on board. All are safe, no injuries. Over.
Safety.
Captain, there's a floating container in 2 points in our starboard bow.
Captain, there is 2 floating containers.
Copy. Take the position of the container and broadcast a safety message on channel 1.
Security. All stations. This is MV Arctic. Call sign Alpha Charlie Echo Sierra. Navigational warning. Listen to the channel 12. Security. All stations. This is MV Arctic. Call sign Alpha Charlie Echo Sierra. 2 floating containers observed in position 2 points to the starboard bow. The object is not marked and possess a navigational hazard. All vessels are advised to navigate with caution